Good morning, this is the channel, welcome back to my channel. So this is a Mitsubishi Pajero. Mitsubishi Pajero, they have a problem complete customer about the shock absorber is no good. And this channel, check this one. So they have a problem about leaking, you see. So shock absorber leak, so the pump is not good. Also I will check the right side. This is a left side, also the right side also, you see this one. So no good also. So I make it advice to replace the choose the absorber, also the sa absorber rubber, also the damper, this one rubber. So change this one, sa absorber, rubber and damper, this one. Also they have check, actually this is I make it general quotation, this one. So they have a problem, the engine support. If you see the engine support, they have a crack, you see. So they have a crack engine support. So advise him to replace also. This is right side also, right front, also the left side, they have damage also, you see this one. So need to change also. This is a technical info, this one regarding the complaint kada under chassis. Okay.